Shruti Gangwar from class 2nd welcomes you all for today's morning assembly. Prayer gives us hope and strength. So let's seek the blessing of God with this harmony song. Kindly hold your hand. Kindly join your hands and close your eyes. Now, I would like to call Arnav Haskar for news headlines. Now, I would like to call Vansh for thought of the day.
Good morning, everyone. Thought of the day is even though. Forgive people in your life, even those who are not sorry for their actions. Holding on to anger only hurts you, not them. Thank you.
Now, I would like to call Arnav Haskar for news headlines. Good morning, everyone. Today's news headlines of the day are India, Malaysia conduct joint naval exercise. Shehbaz elected Pak PM for second time. Zardari to be president. CBSE considers policy on use of AI to prepare students for future job. LeBron James become the first NBA player to reach 40,000 points. Thank you. Have a nice day. Now, I would like to call Ira for word of the day. Good morning everyone. Word of the day is reprieve, meaning cancel or postpone the punishment of. Thank you and have a nice day. Today we want to talk about something very special, forgiveness. That is the theme of our morning assembly. And for that I would like to call Parithi to recite a poem. Good morning everyone. The poem is forgiveness. Forgiveness is the key. Forgiveness alone can set you free from all you have done. Forgive yourself for all your wrongs and share the spirit that's been hiding for so long. Forgive others, life's too short to worry. Keep close your lovers, but take it slow, don't hurry. Thank you. Now I would like to call Arohi Gangwar for pledge. Please take pledge position. India is my country. And all Indians are my brother and sisters. I love